Let me show you how you can run AI models on your phone without internet. Well, this is only possible with Google AI Edge Gallery. Let me show you how it actually runs on my phone. This is how it's running. Well, that's really quick. The tokens per second are actually amazingly quick. This is on an S24, the standard model, and it's running this quick. Let me show you how you could actually use this. You have to go to the Play Store, look for Google AI Edge Gallery. Download it. Once you have it downloaded, you can now download the model. We are looking for specifically Gemma 4 E2B. The main reason we're using this model is because it uses low compute. It essentially uses up 3 gigabytes of RAM, and it has 128,000 context window. These are some examples of what I'd actually used it for. So to begin with, I had uploaded an image of lions, and it actually recognizes the number of lions which were in this image. And another one, this is a picture of one of the magazines I have in my house, and it actually looked at the text it has and also explained what exactly the book might actually be about. Looking also at the heart, it actually mentioned the functions of the heart and also the parts of it. You could also use it for explanations and academic reasoning. For instance, right here,
we also have audio transcription, meaning that it can actually write out what you are speaking, and you could also use it as an input. Let us actually try that. Good morning, my name is Mike. What is the best programming language for a quant developer? Then we can hit send. And we are receiving a response. Okay, it actually looked at a front-end developer, and as you can see, it listens and writes out a well-written response for us. Next up, what I'll be doing is I'll be uploading a picture of the poster right in front of me, and then we'll actually see what it will say about this poster. Okay, and then we can press use photo. So what I'd actually asked is what is the art style of the poster, and also about the color palette. And watch this. And it's actually speaking about the color palette, and we can see that it's also speaking about the art style which was used in this. So I actually took a picture of the poster right here, and it's right there, and then I'll be asking what is this poster about and what should I look out for, and then we can send, and then we can receive our response. This is an advertisement related to a company, Megatech, what, and so on. And as you can see, mind you, there is no internet on this phone. The internet is actually switched off right there. There is no internet. So this is running locally on my phone without any internet.
what is amazing about this model is the number of tokens you receive per second. We also have other smaller models like DeepSeek R1, Distill Quen 1.5B, and also Quen 2.5 1.5 Instruct. These models would actually run a lot more faster on your device, and you wouldn't have a lot of lag. But you must know that the smaller the model, the worse off your response will be. So you have to also watch out for that. And the better your smartphone, the more better models you could actually run and the better responses you can have. So if you're having a flagship phone, you are at a higher advantage.